What's going on, guys? I know yesterday I said I would vlog at my dinner break at work, but I totally forgot. I'm sorry. So it's already Saturday. It's about 9:01 in the morning, and it is cool outside. Notice I have on a jacket. I have on a little jacket thing, a hoodie, because it's chilly. When I woke up, it was like 50 degrees. So I think fall is officially here, which I am happy about that. I love fall. It's like my favorite time of year. Well, anyway, I am on my way to get my coffee at 7-Eleven, and my husband had to work today. It sucks. He never works on Saturdays. So what I decided to do was organize my closet. I think I will show you guys the before and after. Alright, so I'm looking forward to doing that. So if I sound congested, it's because I am. My allergies are going haywire. Like, the pollen is so high right now. Everybody's got the sniffles, so it's not good. But I'm really digging this muscle work class that I joined at the Y. Man, I tell you what, I was sore for like, oh my goodness, like 3 days after doing that. I could barely walk. I could barely climb out of bed. It was just that bad, but I'm loving it. So I'm looking forward to going again on Monday. Well, not this Monday. We'll be going to my aunt's funeral, but the following Monday, and just really working out and just doing what I do. They got their pumpkin spice coffee out at 7-Eleven. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, I love fall. I just love fall. The smells, everything, the colors, the vibrant colors with the trees changing and all that. So I got my pumpkin spice coffee. I am ready to start the day. Going into the city of St. Louis is so pretty. Look at the arch. I hope you can see it. Can you see the arch? Okay, well, hold on. Let me go over this bridge. It's like since I moved here, they've been working on the highways. It's so annoying. Like, geez. But anyway, St. Louis is a very old city. Like, the buildings, there are some buildings here that were up in the late 1700s. It's crazy. I mean, really, it's crazy. But, like, can you see the arch? Let me go this way. So pretty. I just love it. Like, the churches here, this is a Catholic state. I don't think you can see it. Oh, shoot. Oh, well. Can you see it? Oh, I don't think so. Anyway, this is a Catholic state, hence the name St. Louis. So there's a bunch of old cathedrals, Catholic cathedrals, and it's just a majestic city. I love this city. I moved here in 1997 from Memphis, Tennessee. So, you know, need I say more? Memphis definitely didn't have all the beautiful things that St. Louis has. Oh, I just don't like Memphis. But anyway, ooh, was I supposed to turn? No. Anyway, I'll try to get a picture coming back. Hopefully I can get a good picture of the arch. It's so pretty. Like, when you're coming into the city from the county, it's gorgeous. I love it. So I'm heading back to the county from the city, and I wanted to show you guys a little bit of St. Louis downtown. Maybe you can see the arch. I think you can see part of the arch. Downtown. Kind of overcast today, but it's not supposed to rain. It's really nice outside, I think. I mean, it's 68 degrees. I have a stuffy nose, but I was told just a minute ago by a friend of mine that I wear this cherry blossom body spray by Body Works, and she said that every time she wears that, she gets a stuffy nose. So she has stopped wearing it. She doesn't get a stuffy nose, and I wear that all the time. I wonder if that's why I'm getting a stuffy nose. But anyway, this is downtown St. Louis. A really nice city. I love the city. This building over here with the green dome thing, that was where the first slave auction was. Way back when there was slavery. It's right there at that building. Can you believe that? That's our TWA Dome, where the Rams play. So I'm here at Target trying to find bins for my closet, to organize my closet a little bit better. I think I got, let's see. I think I found something. These are really cute. Awkward trying to vlog in public places because people will actually stop and just stare at you. But anyway, they have out all their fall pictures. They're so pretty. Look. So the hubby and I decided we were going to barbecue. He finally got home from work, and I decided to get some kind of beef, Asian beef kebabs, and he's got an Angus beef steak. Yummy. It smells so good. And I'm making my broccoli with garlic and Parmesan cheese and olive oil sauce to go over it. And he likes rice-a-roni, so I'm making rice-a-roni too. And we're just enjoying the rest of the day. You coming back out, babe? Are you coming back out? So I'm just waiting for my husband to come back outside and enjoy this nice, cool day. It feels so nice. We got new neighbors. I think they're okay. I hope they are. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, today at the grocery store, I know I look a hot mess. I mean, I feel like crap. Anyway, where did that come from? Anyway, today at the grocery store, I was waiting in line to check out, and this lady was in front of me, and she just started sneezing all over the little pad that you put your credit card information. She was just like sneezing, like she was covering her mouth, but then she was like wiping her hands all over the thing where you press your numbers and stuff. I was totally grossed out. I'm like, really? I mean, I'm already kind of stuffy and not feeling well. And, you know, there's definitely a virus going around in St. Louis. So when it was my turn, I asked the cashier if she would please give me a wet wipe so that I could wipe the thing down, because that was nasty. I was talking about at the grocery store today. This lady was in front of me, and she just, like, almost vomiting all over the little debit card thing. Oh, look at those squirrels. Huh? Man, those squirrels are, look at them, they're fighting.
That's a good plan.
Okay. Well, she was coughing and sneezing all over it and stuff, and then it was just wet with her saliva, and I was next. And I asked the cashier, I said, ma'am, do you have a wet wipe or something, because I can't touch that thing. She was like, yeah, I know what you mean. And she went and got me some wet wipes.
That was on the credit card thing?
Yeah, it was all on the credit card thing, and then she just looked at me. Here's my doggy. Dingo. 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 I have to watch him because he'll take off. Major on the other hand, will listen. The little one will listen, but the big one will not. So, say hi, Bri.
Hello.
He just got home from work. He's tired. Yeah, you gotta block that way down, or else.
Well, I see a squirrel over
there. Yeah, the squirrels are up in that tree right there playing. So, anyway, but it is so nice. It's nice here in St. Louis.
Don't call him, let him.
Okay. Are you playing, Dingo? Look at that big hole you dug in our yard. Are you guys playing? They love to play. Look at all the holes they dug in the yard. I mean, is that not ridiculous? And like, Major's line is over there, and he made a track where he just runs around. So like when we move, we have to plant grass there. We have to plant grass right here as well. Because they're good doggies. You're good little babies. Aren't you? Good little babies. You good little babies. So anyway, that's what happened at the grocery store. The lady totally grossed me out. We're waiting on our meat to get ready. It looks so yummy. It smells good. I wish there's a way you could smell it. My husband is the best griller ever.
Thanks.
He knows how to. You're welcome. He knows how to grill. So I think this will be the end of my vlogging day for Saturday. Oh, there they are again. Which I don't really like them. Well, I guess they'll be okay.
So keep playing.
Yeah. All right. See you guys later. Have a great weekend. Bye.